So I cut the board this morning, 8 or 7 inches from there to right here, and I wasn't sure the angle, but I guessed 22.5 degrees, and it was perfect. I was thinking it might be like a half of a 45 that they had figured on using. So that's all nailed in. I re-nailed half of it. So I'm pounding in any nails that are good. Anything that's questionable, I'm pulling out because they need to be below the wood surface. You don't want the aluminum touching them. So you can see, looks like a piece of shingles there. But otherwise, you see how they're pounded in. Now these boards are not in premium condition anymore, but they're still, once they're still really good. They just don't look like there's new. But over there, they're a lot looser. But once you nail them, re-nail them, really good and solid. So I'm gonna do a little caulking on the edges where I nailed in. And then thought I might as well repaint it too. So I'll just paint the edge. Get that looking good. So I'm gonna go back over and finish nailing. And I might take a break, and then, well, I'm going to caulk too, and then take a break. Okay, so we're gaining. And by the way, this doesn't go fast. This is, this is like an hour or 2 hours putting this board on and nailing and pulling nails, and I'm going to spend another hour over there. But it's a necessity, and you got to do it right.